Hi, hello, welcome to your logic. Today we are going to discussing CSS versus of XPath. What is the difference between CS and XPath? This is the most important question in interval. Maybe they can ask to you what is the difference between CSS and XPath. Which locator will be fast, CSS or XPath? See, most of the answer people can say CSS is fast. Yes, exactly, absolutely correct. But technically they are not proved which one is fast. People simply they can say to CSS is fast, but technically nobody will not proved. Remember, okay? See, what is the CSS? CSS syntax is more beginner friendly. See, CSS syntax can be referred as hash dot and attribute value. This is for the three things only we can going to declare CSS selectors. Hash means ID, dot means class. This is for the attribute, tag name, attribute value. This is very straightforward, very simple. You can be declare the CSS selector. But comes to the XPath. XPath means stands for XML path language. Okay, XPath means stands for XML path language. XPath expression allows to select a node from the DOM, including element, attribute or text. It is possible to traverse to the document hierarchical structure from the either start or end globally or locally. Okay, see here, I can show it you. See, for example, this is for the web page. In this web page, say XPath can start from the relative path or absolute path. Sometimes you can start from the absolute path from starting onwards. Relative path can be taking from the absolute, exactly whatever requirement text we can take. Attribute value. This different scenarios we can take we can find the locators using the XPath. Okay, what is the advantages of the platform independent? Platform independence. It is not tied to specify the programming language. From the generally speaking, XPath is valuable to tool for the working XML like structure. XML structure it will be work. Okay, now second advantage, support to bidirectional DOM structure. It is enabled to traverse the document top to the bottom. See, it is support to the relative of the top to, if you want to get it this one, or for example if you want to get this username from top, from here onwards, okay, absolute path from here onwards we can get this one. This is a one of the ways there. Already I explained in previous sessions, okay, regarding the XPath. Okay, now built-in functional operations. See, XPath can be supported as text. Okay, text, contains, count, operation, plus, minus, and, or, not. These things and all can be supported as XPath. Okay, three things: platform independence. This is for the XML support. Bidirectional DOM structure travel. Okay, built-in functional operator. Functional operator and, or, not, text, count, contain. These functional operator can be supported. These three things are we can say. Very simple. Okay, next one is what is the disadvantages? The disadvantages: XPath structure challenged learn, but this is for the very, for beginner, challenging find the element from top node to here. Okay, absolute path and relative path also sometimes you cannot able to find, little bit tough. Okay, so that challenging to learn write the especially for beginners it will be little bit tough for up to practicing. Okay, what is the CSS? See, very simple straightforward XPath is a XML path, like this is for the platform independence, support to bi-directional DOM structure tree. Okay, third one is built-in functional operators. These three things is enough. Okay, fourth one is CSS selectors. CSS selectors flatten string that CSS target the specific HTML element on a web page. HTML element only can be targeted. Okay, now it can select element by tag, class name, tag ID, attribute value. The three things I explained. See, 1 minute. Tag ID means hash, ID hash, tag class name means dot. Okay, attribute tags by class name, ID, attribute value, tag name, attribute something, attribute value within the double quotation, attribute value, and more with simple syntax, very simple compared to CSS XPath. It is CSS very simple syntax. Okay, for beginner also they can learn easily. CSS selector are straightforward. You don't want to write lengthy of the XPath, similar to the XPath, making the great tool the HTML node. See, what is advantages? Advantage is easy to learn. They can really syntax well known to web developer. Okay. See, another one is readable. Consists of and readable. Readable. See, when you see the CSS selector, okay, human readable way, specify the element selection criteria. It should be very easy to writing and reading purpose also. CSS selectors. And third one is, what is the disadvantage? It is only work for the HTML document only. It does not support another nodes. Does not support the up and down. See, it is not support to the, for example, if I go there, see, if I go there, it is does not support to the absolute weather. Light in XPath can be right from here onwards, header to the node to the root node to the whatever requirement is there up to here, we can write it the XPath. It is possibilities is there, but CSS selector not feasibility. Okay, does not support up and down tree travel. It's not support. Okay, next, no parent and siblings. Parent and siblings, I am not explain right as of no parent and next future classes I can explain to parent and siblings. No parent and siblings, not support CSS. This is for the disadvantages. Okay, see, this is for the very important question. Please watch this video up to end. Okay, if you have any doubt, if you want any clarification more, please comment section comment to me. I can reply to you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.